Lisa, and today I'm going to take you through how to shape and trim your brows using Manicare's range of face and brow tools. This is a super easy way to keep your brows neat and tidy in between salon visits, or if you'd like to take your brows into your own hands. I've just started by pulling my hair back off my face, and you want to make sure that you're in a really well lit room or bathroom with plenty of natural lighting. It's a great idea to plan to pluck your brows after you've had a shower. That way the skin is nice and soft and the pore is open, but another great option is to do a warm compress. So I'm going to take the Manicare Erase It Makeup Remover tool, and I'm going to go and run this under warm water, and I'm going to apply that to the brow area as a warm compress for a couple of minutes. I'm also going to take 2 of the Manicare Soothing Eye Gels, and I'm going to put those in the fridge so at the end I can use them to soothe and cool the area. Now, before we go removing any hairs, we need to think about the shape that we want our brows to be. I'm going to use the Manicare Lash Brow tool, and I'm going to use this to line up from the outer corner of my nostril to the inner corner of my eye. This is how we're going to find where you want your brow to start. Once you've found the starting point, you want to line up from the outer corner of your nostril to the pupil of your eye, and that's going to be where you want your brow to arch. Lastly, we're going to go from the outer corner of the nostril to the outer corner of the eye, and that's going to be where you want your brow to end. You can take a brow pencil or an eyeliner and actually mark those points on the face and then pluck everything that doesn't fit in that area. Now we're going to get trimming. To begin, start by brushing up all of your brows in the same direction towards your forehead. I'm going to use the Manicare cuticle scissors. You're going to take your scissors and you're going to trim along that top line of the brow for any of the hairs that are a little bit too long. Avoid trimming the inner corner and the outer tail of your brow. This can result in a bit of a blunt look. We're going to use the tweezers there only. Once you've finished trimming, grab your brow brush or your spoolie and brush through all in the same direction to make sure that they're both even. Next, grab your tweezers. I'm using the Manicare Precision Slant Tip Tweezers. If you've got sensitive skin that reacts to certain metals or stainless steel, Manicare also do their gold tip tweezers, which make a great alternative. Now it's time to pluck away any unwanted or stray hairs above or below the brows, or if you're like me, in between the brows. Make sure that you pull the skin taut, as this helps to stop the sting. It's important that you hold the tweezers on an angle and you also pull in the direction of the hair growth. This makes sure that you get the hair from the root and you don't get any ingrowns or little broken hairs. Now's the time to take your soothing eye gels from the fridge and apply them to the freshly plucked area to soothe any redness or sting. Now it comes to styling. For this step, you can use your lash brow tool from Manicare or a spoolie, and we're gonna brush the hairs into a nice neat line. If you like a fluffier brow like mine, brush upwards towards the hairline and then just groom the end of the brow slightly. Now you're finished. You can fill in your eyebrows, do your makeup, and voila, you're done. If you're like me and you've got a boyfriend with a bushy, thick monobrow, then you might like to take the extra large grip scissors from Manicare and also the flat edge tweezers. They're gonna help you get those coarser, stubbier hairs and to trim those unruly brows. Thanks for watching Manicare's How To Brows. We hope you love it.